Everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make one of my favorite vegetarian pasta dishes. The ingredients that you will need are Parmesan cheese, Rayo's tomato and basil sauce, a box of penne pasta, and the vegetables that we're going to use for this is red, yellow, green, and orange peppers. You will need 1 onion and a can of mushrooms and some butter. What we're going to do is we're going to saute the vegetables together. We're going to boil the noodles and we're going to add the jar of sauce. My aunt made this recipe many years ago, my Aunt Eve, and it has become a classic. We've made this for special parties, occasions, birthdays, picnics, you name it, or even just having it for a night, for a night's dinner. But it's definitely a classic, and I hope it's a classic for you. The first step to this is we're going to boil the noodles. We're using penne pasta, and I got this pasta at Dollar Tree. You can use any type of pasta that you want, but we're going to use penne pasta. Just follow the directions on the back of the box. And also don't forget to do not add any oil on this. She did not use any oil. Alright everyone, we've got our yellow, orange, green, red pepper, our onion, and our mushrooms all prepared here. What we're going to do is we're going to put this into a pan with some butter in it, and we're going to saute it. I've added some salt into our water, and now we're going to add our box of penne pasta in this. Okay everyone, I've got our peppers and our onions in our pan right here, and I'm going to saute this now. And as you can see, I got our pasta boiling. That should be up in a couple seconds here. Alright everyone, as you can see, I drained our vegetables, and I put our vegetables on into our pasta right here, and I also drained our pasta. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our Rayo's tomato and basil sauce. Alright everyone, we've got our penne pasta with Rayo's tomato and basil sauce and our vegetables. This is a wonderful dish. It's vegetarian. You can never go wrong with this dish. If you're going to any type of picnic, any type of social gathering, church or party or some sort, everybody will love this dish. It's easy to make and it's very simple. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Now what I did was I left the Parmesan cheese as optional. I did not put this on. So, because some people like it, some people don't, and I left that as optional. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that way every time I come on, you know. And I want to thank all my subscribers out there. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.